Another day, another story. Welcome to today's video, where we'll be exploring the world of 3D printing and its uses. "3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is a process of creating physical objects from digital models. The technology has been around since the 1980s but has gained significant popularity in recent years due to its versatility and affordability. In this video, we'll be discussing what 3D printing is, how it works, and some of its most exciting applications. First, let's start with the basics. "3D printing is a process of creating physical objects from a digital model. It works by layering materials on top of each other until the desired object is formed. Unlike traditional manufacturing processes, which often require expensive molds and tooling, 3D printing can produce complex shapes and geometries quickly and affordably. There are several different types of 3D printing technologies, but they all generally follow the same basic process. First, a digital model of the object is created using computer-aided design (CAD) software. This model is then sliced into thin layers, which the 3D printer uses as a blueprint for building the object. The printer then heats up the material, usually plastic or resin, and extrudes it through a nozzle or deposits it onto a built platform, layer by layer. As each layer is added, the printer moves back and forth, building up the object from the bottom up. Once the print is complete, the object is removed from the printer and any support structures are removed. Now that we understand what 3D printing is and how it works, let's take a look at some of its most exciting applications. One of the most significant benefits of 3D printing is its ability to quickly produce prototypes. Instead of waiting weeks or even months for a traditional prototype to be made, a 3D printed prototype can be created in just a few hours. This makes it easier for designers and engineers to iterate on their designs and test them more quickly. 3D printing has already made significant inroads in the medical industry. For example, doctors can now use 3D printing to create patient-specific implants and prosthetics, which can improve patient outcomes and reduce recovery time. In addition, 3D printing is being used to create models of organs and tissues for surgical planning and training. The aerospace industry has also embraced 3D printing, using it to create lightweight and complex parts that would be difficult or impossible to produce using traditional methods. By using 3D printing, aerospace companies can reduce the weight of their components, which can improve fuel efficiency and reduce costs. Finally, 3D printing is being used in education to teach students about design, engineering, and manufacturing. By allowing students to create their own 3D designs and print them out, teachers can help students learn about complex concepts in a hands-on and engaging way. One of the most significant advantages of 3D printing is its ability to produce complex geometries and shapes quickly and affordably. This makes it an ideal manufacturing process for prototypes and small production runs. In addition, 3D printing can reduce waste and lower production costs. Since 3D printing only uses the material required to create the object, there is little to no material waste, making it a more sustainable manufacturing process. Also, since 3D printing doesn't require expensive molds and tooling, it can be a more cost-effective solution for small production runs. Finally, 3D printing can improve supply chain flexibility by allowing for on-demand manufacturing. With 3D printing, companies can produce parts and products when and where they are needed, reducing the need for large warehouses and inventories. While 3D printing has many advantages, there are also some limitations to the technology. One of the biggest limitations is the size of the objects that can be printed. Most 3D printers have a limited build volume, which can make it challenging to print larger objects. In addition, 3D printing can be slower than traditional manufacturing methods for large production runs. Since 3D printing builds up the object layer by layer, it can take longer to produce the same number of parts as a traditional manufacturing process. In conclusion, 3D printing is a powerful technology that has the potential to transform many industries. From rapid prototyping to medical applications to aerospace, 3D printing is already making an impact in many fields. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more exciting applications and developments in the future. Some of the areas where 3D printing is expected to grow include: with 3D printing, companies can produce customized products quickly and affordably. Metal 3D printing is still in its early stages, but it has the potential to revolutionize the aerospace and automotive industries. As 3D printing technology improves, we can expect to see new materials developed that are stronger, more durable, and better suited for specific applications. Overall, 3D printing is a technology that is changing the way we think about manufacturing and design. With its versatility and affordability, 3D printing is already making an impact in many industries, and we can expect to see even more exciting developments in the future. In conclusion, 3D printing is an exciting and rapidly developing technology that has the potential to revolutionize many industries. From rapid prototyping to medical applications to aerospace, 3D printing is already making an impact in many fields. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more exciting applications and developments in the future. Finally, 3D printing materials can be limited in terms of strength and durability. While 3D printing can produce complex shapes, the materials used in the process may not be as strong as those used in traditional manufacturing processes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.